Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot integration to trigger tasks in ClickUp, full guide step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot integration to trigger tasks in ClickUp, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Marketplace icon in the top right corner. In the Marketplace, find the App Marketplace section. Search for ClickUp in the search bar. Click on the ClickUp app when it appears in the search results. Select the Connect App button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to the ClickUp login page. Log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for HubSpot to access ClickUp. After permissions are granted, return to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Workflows tool in the main dashboard. Create a new workflow by clicking on the Create Workflow button. Choose a contact-based workflow type for this integration. Define the trigger for your workflow, such as a contact create or update event. Click on the Add Action button to include an action in your workflow. Select Send a webhook from the list of available actions. In the webhook URL field, insert the ClickUp API endpoint for task creation. Set the method to post. In the body of the webhook, specify the details for the task you want to create. This may include fields like task name, description, assignee, and due date. Make sure to format the body as JSON to ensure accuracy. Once everything is set, review your workflow settings. Activate the workflow by clicking on the Turn On button. Test your integration by triggering the workflow with a sample contact. Check your ClickUp account to confirm that the task has been created. If the task appears as expected, your integration is successfully configured. If not, review your webhook settings for any potential errors. Once completed, consider documenting the integration process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.